Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more important questions relating to degree measure and radian measure. First question, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, the length of the chord, the length of the chord is 20 meter, 20 centimeter is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Of the chord. Solution. We can draw a circle. We have a circle with center O and chord is AB. Now as we have seen here, diameter of circle is 40 centimeter. So radius will be 40 by 220 centimeter. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to 20 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. Length of chord AB, length of chord AB is 20 centimeter. Therefore, OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle AOB is 60 degree because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. We can change this into radians. Since 180 degree is equal to pi radians, so 60 degree is equal to pi over 180 into 60, pi by 3 radians. Therefore, theta is pi by 3. R is 20 centimeter. Theta is equal to L over R. Since theta is L over R, therefore L is R theta. L is the length of this minor arc, where L is minor arc AB. Therefore, we can put values. R is 20, it is pi by 3. Therefore, it is 20 pi by 3. Therefore, length of minor r case 20 pi over 3 centimeter. So that's all. Once again, in this case, first of all, we shall prove that OAB is an equilateral triangle. You know, diameter 40, radius is 20. So OA and OB, these are radii. Each will be 20, and it's given that the length of chord is 20, so AB is 20. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, so angle AOB is 60 degree. So we can change 60 into radians, it is pi by 3 radians, then by using formula theta is equal to L over R, L is equal to R theta. By putting values, we are getting 20 pi over 3 centimeter. Second question. Second question. If in two circles, if in two circles arcs of same length, subtend angles 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. Solution. Let length of each arc is L. Now angles are 60 degree and 75 degree. We can change this into radians. Pi 180 degrees pi radians. 60 degrees pi over 180 into 60. Pi by 3 radians. Similarly, and 75 degrees is equal to pi over 180 into 75. 512, 5 pi by 12 radians. So let theta 1 is pi over 3 radians, theta 2 is 5 pi by 12 radians. We know that since theta is equal to L over R, so R is equal to L over theta. Let R1 and R2 are radii of two circles. Radii of two circles. Therefore, R1 is equal to L over theta 1 L into 3 over pi, 3L over pi. Then and R2 is equal to L over theta 2 L into 12 over 5 pi, 12 L over 5 pi. Therefore, R1 over R2 dividing these two, R1 is 3L over pi, dividing by R2 it is 5 pi over 12L. Cancelling this, it is 5 over 4. Therefore, ratio of radii is 5:4. Ratio of radii is 5:4. Then we take third question. Third question. Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian through which pendulum swings, through which the pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. If its length is 75 centimeter and and the tip describes describes an arc of length number 1 10 centimeter, number 2 15 centimeter, number 3 21 centimeter. Solution. The length of pendulum is 75. That means the radius is 75. Radius is equal to length of pendulum, which is 75 centimeter. First part, L is 10 centimeter. We will have to find theta. Theta is equal to L over R. Therefore, L is 10, R is 75. It is 2 over 15 radians. Second part, L is 15 centimeters. We want to find theta. Theta is L over R. L is 15, R is 75. So it is 1 over 5 radians. Third, L is 21 centimeter. Theta we want to find. Theta is L over R. That is 21 over 75. It is 7 over 25 radians. So this is about the questions of radian measure and degree measure. In the next video, we shall continue with the trigonometric functions. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.